What's good, YouTube? I'm back again. It's your boy Brick. I hope you'll have have a wonderful day, guys. So in today's videos, guys, basically I'm going to show y'all this different way on how to start your hookups on Snapchat and get about $500 a day, which is simply easy. So guys, if anyone who's new on the channel, my name is Break. I show people how to make money online. I show people different ways on how to make money online. So if you're new, guys, that's it. Then don't forget to subscribe on my channel, people. And yeah, so first thing first, people. First thing, first of the best thing, the thing that you need to have before considering like starting your Snapchat's account. First of all, you have to create your account. Go on Play Store, download the app Snapchat, and create that account. Then after that, then you eventually going to go to you're going to go to there over there, then they're going to show your name and everything and starts the account over there. Then after starting the account and creating everything, then eventually first thing first that you have to do, go to your Chrome or any browser that you use for internet, go and search Snapchat Twitter account. Then with that being said, after doing so, then you're going to they're going to show you all different things about Snapchat, Twitter. Then you go to tab of that on that first tab and show you all. Then you're going to heading into your Twitter account. Then with that being said, after heading onto your Twitter account, they're going to show you all the Snapchat page. So after having that Snapchat page, then you're going to go to scroll down and tap on the Snapchat page and you're going to see the Snapchats, guys. Then after that, then you're going to tap on followers. Go to followers, people that follow the page on Snapchat on YouTube. Heading over there. Then after heading in over there, then you're going to see the people that are following Snapchats. Come scroll down and see the ones that are, basically like the ones that are earning that much of uh that are no sorry guys, the ones that have most followers on Snapchat. Then you go to tap on them, and after that being said, then eventually you go into tap on them, then see the name of their account and maybe like write it down if you can't remember it. Then you're going to go back again on your Snapchat app, then search for that name. If it appears on your Snapchat, then go to press on that name and subscribe on their channel. When you subscribe, after subscribing on that particular channel, eventually you're going to be able to start a chat with that person. Then you can, consider it from there, like, talk with the person and, see how y'all can work and hookups and then earn your fucking money. Sorry, earn your money, people. Sorry about that. Earn your money, and it's so easy. Like, you don't have to pay for anything in order for you to engage with them people. It's just easy, guys. It's like ABCD. Then the other method too, you have to, like, go to people that on your Twitter application, go to Snapchat and page. Then over there you going also not only like just going for the followers, going for people that the Snapchats are following. Then after heading over there or after heading into people that are following Snapchats, basically they're going to like, you're going to scroll down and see the ones that you can definitely see that they will be able to pay you, they will be able to engage with you in that like business type of conversation that may be able to help you to hook up with them. Then earn your money on Snapchat, which is simply easy, guys. As I've mentioned earlier, you don't have to pay for anything. And with that being said, to do the same thing too, go write down those names. Then after writing down those names, go to your Snapchat again, go to search the name that you've written down over there. Check if the person from YouTube is using the Snapchat. Oh no, sorry guys, from Twitter is using the Snapchats. And if she or she is maybe using the Snapchats, then it's a win. You tap on that person, you subscribe. After subscription, then you will be eventually be able to start a chat with them and then chat with them and just talk about business, how you can hookups and all that, so that you can earn your money. And guys, it's so much easy. You can stand a chance to earn about $500 a day. $500 a day. That is big. That is huge for people that eventually not getting any like money. It's huge, man. It's huge. It's huge. It's big and it's easy. You can also stand a chance of earning maybe about uh $5,000 a month. Cause let me count like six, 500 $500 a day is a huge amount of money. It's a huge amount of money, guys. So people, my people, y'all know me. I don't give y'all wrong information. I always give y'all the good information. So go and check on this one. It's very valid. It's very easy. It's easy to use. You don't have to pay for anything again. So guys, go and click on that link. It's so much easy, guys. I want y'all to go and do that and earn your money, earn your bread, because it's all about hustling. And with this thing, you don't have to go to work for anyone or all that kind of thing. You don't need a high certificates, you don't need a matric and all that, you don't need a degree to earn your money. You need the information, and that's it. With the information that you are able to accomplish a whole lot of things. So guys, please go and tap on that. That it is for today's video, guys. I hope you'll enjoy it. It's your boy Break. I'm out. Have a good day. Sharp, sharp.